Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With 10 game-changing features, this flagship is truly pushing boundaries. So, whether you're a Samsung loyalist or just a tech enthusiast, stick around because you don't want to miss this. The first thing you'll notice is the completely revamped design. Samsung has gone for even thinner bezels, and the materials feel more premium than ever, combining both durability and elegance in one package. Next up, the S25 Ultra features a stunning 4K AMOLED display that adapts not only brightness but also resolution. Whether you're streaming content, gaming, or just scrolling, the 120Hz refresh rate combined with adaptive 4K makes everything buttery smooth. Samsung has perfected the under-display camera. Version 2.0 offers clearer selfies without sacrificing screen real estate. Now your front display is entirely uninterrupted. The camera's where things get really exciting. The S25 Ultra comes with a mind-blowing 200-megapixel sensor, but it's the AI-powered enhancements that steal the show. Your photos will be sharper, clearer, and with improved dynamic range, even in low light. Samsung has stepped up its zoom game with a periscope lens that now offers up to 150 times zoom. You can capture details from far away like never before, without losing quality. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 9 Gen 3 chipset. It's faster, more efficient, and optimized for gaming, multitasking, and handling heavy apps. Larger battery with super-fast charging, the S25 Ultra now packs a 6,000 mAh battery, coupled with Samsung's new 65-watt super-fast charging. You'll get from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes, perfect for those on-the-go moments. 8. Satellite connectivity. Samsung is introducing satellite connectivity, following in the footsteps of a few competitors. In emergencies, you'll be able to send messages or share your location even without cellular signal. 9. Customizable One UI 6.5. Samsung's One UI 6.5 is all about customization. From custom themes to enhanced multitasking features, this UI lets you tailor the phone to your personal style and needs. And finally, Samsung's Notch Vault 2.0 ensures that your data is more secure than ever before. With hardware-level security, your personal information and sensitive data are kept safe. So, what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are these 10 big changes enough to make you upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.